guys, and welcome back to my channel, Inside Our Triangle, where we think outside the box. My name is Teray, and this is Struggle Meal September. Through the entire month of September, what I'm going to do is post a video of struggle meals. That's meals that are very inexpensive, they are affordable, they can make a little or they can make a lot, and I try to use mostly ingredients or all of the ingredients from the dollar store. This is going to be a quick video today. No nails today because it's going to be a quick video. Today's recipe is going to be hamburger egg sandwich. A hamburger egg sandwich. Or today's video is going to be, for breakfast, you can make a sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich. Or for lunch, you can make a hamburger, egg, and cheese sandwich. So, here's what you will need. You will need bread, sausage. It can be any kind of sausage. It does not have to be turkey sausage. Eggs. You can use cheese, or you don't have to use cheese. And then, because this channel is all about thinking outside the box, don't forget the ketchup. That'll be today's ingredient. Ketchup. Okay? So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get my frying pan out, spray it with a little bit of cooking spray. We'll put the sausage in and start frying. This is going to be a really quick video. So come on along with me and let's go ahead and get started. It is Sunday morning. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday. Taking it easy, just enjoying the Sunday before Labor Day.
It's Labor Day weekend.
Let's go ahead and give that a nice spray. And turn on the heat about medium. Okay, so we've got that going. Maybe like a pat of butter. Again, I hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday. Relaxing, going to church, going shopping, whatever you're doing. Maybe even barbecuing today since it's almost Labor Day. We're going to let that warm up. I'm also going to go ahead and put my toast in the air fryer. Now, you can put your toast in the toaster. That'll make it even quicker. But I told you guys, I love my air fryer. So, I'm putting my toast in the air fryer. I've already put 2 eggs in the bowl, scrambled those up. And now we're going to go ahead and put the sausage in the pan. Now, do you have to use turkey sausage? No, you don't. You can use whatever sausage you would like. And if you are doing this for lunch or dinner or brunch.
At brunch.
I love brunch.
You can use hamburger meat. That'll be good as well. Okay, so let's put this in when it's ready. And I'll go ahead and heat up my air fryer. Let's go ahead and start browning up this meat. Getting all the pink out, especially if you're doing the sausage. You want to make sure all of the pink is out. So we just take off little chunks and kind of flip them at the same time. It makes it into little pieces. And gets everybody all nice and cooked. This particular meal is special to me because it was one of the first meals that I learned how to cook when I was a teenager. Getting ready to get on the bus, had to leave at like 6 o'clock in the morning, and I needed something. And it was quite a walk to the bus. We used to live in Kentucky. And so I would wake up a little bit earlier because I wanted something nice and hot and warm when I was on my way to the bus stop. So I used to throw sausage in the pan. Yeah, 5 something in the morning. And then scramble up some eggs, throw some cheese on there, put it on toasted bread, wrap it up in foil, grab my book bag, and head on out. And on my way to the bus, I would just munch away. It was such a good, quick, and easy sandwich. It does not take very long. Let's go ahead and chop this up. I'll meet you right back here once I've browned all the sausage. Again, you may substitute sausage for hamburger meat if this is later on in the day. Got a nice stir. Okay, I've browned the meat completely. I'm going to add a little bit of cheese first, just to get that cheese melting before the eggs go in. Somebody keeps Facebooking me while I'm recording the video. Okay, now we're going to pour in the eggs. Prepare your eggs just like we did for the other struggle meal video, and I'll go ahead and link that below. Remember, in my family, we enjoy scrambled eggs, soft/easy. So that's how these eggs are going to be prepared. So I'm basically going to throw them in at the very last second. You just take 2 eggs, put them in a bowl. You can add water. You can add a little milk if you wish. Use one of the techniques that I showed you in that previous video. Let's pour those eggs in. Yep, we're going to pour it in and get all that flavor and deliciousness incorporated into our sandwich. There are the eggs. They're already starting to puff up on me. Looking good. Go ahead. We're going to give those a really quick scramble. Making sure each piece of meat is covered in that deliciousness. My heat is on medium low. My eggs are starting to turn on me, so they're almost ready. Remember, eggs do continue to cook in the pan, so I'm going to go ahead and take these off. They are ready. Put it on the sandwich and plate it up. Here we go. And here is the finished product. This is a wonderful, quick recipe. For breakfast, you can use breakfast sausage, eggs, cheese, and the thinking outside the box ingredient is ketchup.
Ketchup! Ketchup! Where's the ketchup at?
It gives it a little extra flavor. Add a little mayo to your sandwich. Eat this on the way to the bus stop. Eat this on the way in the car. Being careful, of course, on your way to work. It's a great little meal to have. Look at all of that delicious sausage. Remember, if you're doing it for brunch or dinner, you can use hamburger meat, and the hamburger meat and the ketchup mixing together, it just gives it a really good flavor. Again, guys, here's your bite. But because I cannot eat eggs all of a sudden, I will not be able to partake in this meal with you, but I did make this for hubby's breakfast. There we go. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join me again tomorrow. Remember, these are difficult times with inflation and gas prices, food prices, and COVID. So please, take care of yourself, and let's take care of one another. One more good look. Don't forget, at the end of the video, I try to post videos of my grandcats. Also, this is September Struggle Meals Month, so every day I'll be posting a video of affordable meals, usually from the dollar store, that you can make for one person in your dorm room or just by yourself, all the way up to a large family. Thanks so much for watching. Again, be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Wait for the grandcats. They're at the end of the video, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Have a blessed day. Bye.